Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're told that in the xy plane, line L has a y-intercept of -13 and is perpendicular to the line with equation y is equal to -2/3 x. We're asked if the point 10b is on line L, what is the value of b? So the way we're going to solve this is we're going to get the equation of line L in y equals mx plus b, slope-intercept form, right? Different b here, this is the y-intercept. And then we're going to plug in 10 to find our value of b. So first we have to find the slope. We're told that it's perpendicular to the line with equation y is -2/3 x. So if the slope of this line is -2/3, -2/3 times the slope of our line L here is going to be -1, right? These two multiplied by each other have to be -1 because if they're perpendicular, they have to be negative reciprocals. So multiplying them together gives you -1. So what we can do to solve for m here, multiply both sides by 3. These cancel, you get -2m is equal to -1 times 3 is -3. Divide by -2, you get m is equal to 3/2. So you have y is equal to 3/2 x plus b, and then we're told that the y-intercept is -13, so you can just plug that right in for b. So we have y is equal to 3/2 x minus 13. Again, this is a different b from what we're actually solving for. This is the y-intercept. And now we are looking for the value of y when x is 10. So y is equal to 3/2 times 10 minus 13. 3/2 times 10, 3 times 10 is 30 over 2 now, minus 13. 30 over 2 is 15, minus 13 is 2. So the point 10, 2 is on the line L, which means b is equal to 2 is going to be your final answer.